World Partner in Sri Lanka at the moment. So we have started our journey back in 2006 as a part of a broader family of IT brands. Over the past few years, we have mainly focused on Odoo implementations, helping businesses to streamline their operation with smart solutions. So at Centrix, we are not just delivering softwares. So we implement softwares that cater to unique business goals. So our team, certified consultants, project managers, developers, who brings industry-specific expertise across trading, manufacturing, service, and many more. So we have successfully supported clients across Asia, North America, Australia, Scandinavia, Middle East, and Sri Lanka, building long-term relationships based on trust, efficiency, and results. From the initial consultancy, business process implementation to training, after sales, Centrix is with you. So today we have enough time to talk about Odoo implementations with related to the trading businesses. So let's move forward. Yeah, please.
Thank you for this event. So before I start, I would like to invite everyone to scan this QR code. So we have done a small automation to show you how powerful the tool is. So you can scan the QR code. There will be a small form that will pop up. So you can submit the form and you can see the WhatsApp automation that we have done completely by using Odoo. So about Microsoft, we started initially in 2020. So we was a small freelance team. So of myself plus two of my friends, we started it initially. So we were working on multiple platforms, supporting partners, supporting customers directly. So in year 2021, we decided to go on a platform called Fiverr. So where we started our freelancing. Please keep the session. So we started doing services on Fiverr as well, where we grew around. We have currently we do have 100 plus global reviews on Fiverr, and so we slowly grew our team and formed a company, which is the brand Microsoft. So we are today the largest Odoo focused team in Sri Lanka. We have around 35 people in our team, and also I believe we are we have the most expertise in the industry. So our knowledge is highlighted in areas like accounting, doing kind of accounting related solutions and doing manufacturing solutions. So we have certain trade related solutions that we have done.